Hi everyone. Today I'm gonna make the fried rice in for my lunch. So because I'm hungry, I'll make the fried rice. The that is enter the kimchi. Korean kimchi in the in the fried rice. Okay, let's make it. Okay. Alright, let's try. And yeah, um, fried rice, frozen fried rice. And yeah. After that, I do the Korean kimchi into the fried rice. Okay. And at first, I'll do this use fire, and the taste is oh, let's say butter. And okay. And okay. Yes. Yes. Okay. And maybe the from 10 minutes and more some minutes. Then I'll make the fried rice. Okay, and oh, uh, and I'll enter this kimchi. A little, and more a little, Okay. I think it's okay. I think it's okay. Sorry. One more. Mm. Mm. Yeah, I think it's okay. Yeah, it is finished. Okay. Alright, this is the thumbnail picture. Yes. Okay, this is finished, and yeah, yeah, that's fried rice. Yeah. Okay. Okay, let's eat. Okay. Good. Yeah, at first, I because of the I enter I think I enter the too much the butter. Yeah, I think so, but the taste is yeah, not the too much the what say the butter. Yeah, butter taste. Yeah, so the kimchi and the fried rice that suit yeah each other. So yeah, this is really good taste. So for me, yeah. Okay. If you have time, let's try it. Yeah, cooking. Okay. See you.